Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post anonymously on Facebook group, right? So let's go to the Facebook mobile application here and make sure that you are using the latest version of it, right? So we will click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and after that you can see here there is option of group. So click on this and here it will show all of the group in which you are, right? So let's say if I just select this one, and here you have to select post where we want to share something to our group. So right now if I write anything here, I everyone, right? So in this way if I just post it, it will show my name, right? So but I want to post it anonymously, so you have to just turn it on. Here you can see in the top there is a feature, and if you turn it on, I want to post anonymously, and after that just click on the post, and that's it guys. And after the admin will approve the post, you will able to post it, right? So as you can see here that it is pending. As soon as the admin will approve it, my post will live. Okay, so this is pretty easy guys. In some group there is a feature of to post it anonymously, and so in some groups there is not, right? So make sure that you check this option or feature is available. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like this video right now, subscribe our channel and see you in the next video. Till then, take care.